This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 8119. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 200. The chassis is a new 2022 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is a two-wheel drive. Engine is a V8 gasoline, 7.3 liters. Overall length is under 23 feet. Overall height is under 107 inches. It is a Horton module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, a new wheel and siren and speakers, new wheel-in LEDs, exterior and interior. It has a new trip light inverter and charger, a new HVAC system including hoses and all of the fittings. It is a new 2022 Ford E450 158-inch wheelbase, two-wheel drive, V8 gasoline, 7.3 liters. The configuration is left front oxygen. Has a Zico lift for an H cylinder. L number 2 houses the inverter and the vacuum pump, and it also has a shelf for storage. L number 3 full height compartment, inside outside access on the upper half, adjustable shelves. Unit has all new diamond plate running boards, mud guards, corner guards. Also has new rub rails and new fenderettes. It has a new aluminum flip-up step. The load height is 32 inches without a full fuel load or cargo. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat with forward and aft action areas, storage below, behind, and above. HVAC system is underneath the attendant seat. The bulkhead air above the attendant seat. Power distribution quarters is above the attendant seat. Storage below with adjustable shelves. It's a Type 3 walk-through configuration. It has a new console, new wheel and siren head, area for radios, beverages, and also document storage. ALS cabinet is full height. It has inside-outside access, the upper and the lower, and a sliding drawer between. Storage above the squad bench, flip up storage below the squad bench, place for trash and sharps and infectious waste. It is lowered skirt line configuration for ease of ingress and egress. Right rear compartments for back doors. Long storage on the left, adjustable shelves on the right. ALS cabinet with adjustable storage above and below. It has one battery in the battery compartment, and it also has one battery under hood. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 8119, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.